We got snow coming tonight. We got snow coming tomorrow. We got snow coming the next day. The next day. Oh, I'm over it. Ken's plowing the driveway. We thought we could get out and I got stuck. So he had to come tow me out. We had too much snow. We're at the store. We're going to Price Chopper. And as you can see, it continues to snow. We've had so much snow lately. I have a rather small grocery haul this week, mainly produce, a couple of onions, some sweet potatoes. I'm going to make some sweet potato fries along with some Hawaiian burgers this week. I thought that would be good. Got a cabbage, some artichokes. Going to make stuffed artichokes. I'm excited about that. I have some cilantro and Italian parsley, garlic, celery, carrots, shallots, a few Roma tomatoes, a couple of red peppers, bananas, and then as far as pantry items, some chicken stock. I need to make some homemade chicken stock. I'm just out currently, and I have a couple of cans of cannellini beans, some pineapple slices, and then I'm going to use these onion rolls when I make those Hawaiian burgers. So that's my grocery haul this week. For Sunday, we had stacked huevos rancheros. I posted a video on those. The ranchero sauce was really good. And I kind of do them my way. It's not, authentic, but they taste really good. Last night, we had pasta fagioli. I think I've done a video on this before, so I'll go ahead and put that video in the description box if you're interested in seeing how I make it. I definitely will post a video on the garlic knots. I filmed that and they are so good. Oh, what a treat. Tuesday, we're going to have Baja fish tacos. I'm going to use a beer batter on them and fry them with cabbage, crema, pico de gallo, and avocado. Wednesday, we're going to do a walnut shrimp dish. Ken and I had it at Panda Express. No, it wasn't Panda Express. It was Panda Inn in Ontario a few years back. I don't know if you guys remember when Jason's birthday was, and we went and celebrated Jason's birthday in California. Anyway, I'm going to make that dish. I have a recipe for that. I'm just serving it with some steamed rice. Thursday, I'm going to do chicken marsala risotto and stuffed artichokes. Excited! Friday, we're going to have Hawaiian burgers. I'm going to use some sliced pineapple and red pepper slices, that kind of thing, and make some sweet potato fries. For our family dinner this week, we're going to have a Kahlua pork. I'm going to do like a Hawaiian mac salad, some homemade baked beans, and some pineapple upside down cake. So that is our menu plan for this week. Here's our soup that I made. I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want to make it. I made a video on this before. It's really, really super good. Let me show you how to make these garlic knots. In my measuring cup, I have a cup of warm water, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of dry yeast, and a tablespoon of olive oil. I let it sit for about 5 minutes and you can see it started to activate. In my mixer, I have the dough hook, 3 cups of flour, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I'm going to add the wet ingredients and knead this for 5 minutes. I went ahead and kneaded the dough for 5 minutes. I placed the dough ball in a greased bowl and put plastic wrap on the top. We'll just let this sit in the kitchen until it doubles in size. The dough has doubled in size, so I'm going to turn out the dough onto the counter and portion it out into 9 equal portions. Just going to roll the dough out in kind of like the shape of a rope, and then tie it into a knot like that. Put it on the cookie sheet, and I'll let them rise a second time. This one is a fun one to do if you have little kids. They like to roll out the dough. Anyway, I'm going to work on getting the rest of these done and be right back. All right, we have all of the dough rolled out, and we formed it into a knot, and I have it on my sheet tray. We're going to let these rise. I'm just making a quick garlic butter. I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter, about 3 large cloves of garlic, and a little bit of fresh Italian parsley chopped. We're going to use this to drizzle over the bread knots when it comes out of the oven. The dough has risen quite a bit, so I'm going to get these into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. I baked the knots for 10 minutes. Now we're just going to get that garlic butter drizzled on top of them, and we're going to put them back in the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown. Here's what the garlic knots will look like. I wish you had smell-o-vision because these smell incredible.